Hi friends, today I am with the ColorFit Pro 3. This is a new smartwatch by Noise and it comes with some of the features including the blood oxygen monitor, stress monitor, it has a touch screen, it comes with the watch faces and 14 sports mode, 5 to 7 days battery life. It is a jet black color, it supports the Apple App Store and also Google Play Store. So it is a good thing. It is can be used in both iOS and Android devices. Now, right now I will open the polythene and show you what are the box content. It looks pretty much normal. What are the smartwatches we have already seen, and also there is a QR code at the back which you can scan and get the app done. So here you can see in the box we are getting the watch also. Here is the watch and it tells you to scan the QR code, which definitely we will talk about later. I will show you how to connect it. Other than that, there is a charging cable. This comes with the USB port one side and magnetic pins on the other side. So this is what we are getting. If we talk about inside this, there are some of the booklets which is a user guide, and I will definitely recommend you to check this out and know what are the best features you can get from the device. And I will definitely also show you in this video. If we talk about the charging, here you can see the pins. It is not connected, so you have to rotate it, and here you can see the magnetic pins just connect and the charging starts. So it is kind of a one-sided. You can't put from the two side of the pins. There will be positive and negative, the magnetic charger. Now coming to that, if you start the watch, there is a QR code, and I will recommend you to use a third party app or your camera to scan the QR code. Then you will get a link. This will direct you to the app, which is a NoiseFit health and fitness app. Just download it. It will take just few seconds. After that, once you open that, it will again ask you to give the permission for location. And if you want to sign up, you can go that. If you want to pair the device, so for pairing, there is also scan QR code. It will ask you which device it is. So currently we are having ColorFit Pro 3. It will ask you to check the camera, access to the camera and video. Here just I'm giving the access. It will also ask in the smartwatch to pair with the smartphone or not. So once this is done, it will just take few seconds. Here you can see the pairing is already done. And once it is done, it will ask you that what kind of user you are. Are you a fitness freak, or you want only notification, you want workout? So this kind of things will be asked. And currently I will pick what I want, so just bringing it little closer, you can pause the video and check here which kind of user you are, and you can select with that. Currently I am not a workout person, and here it will ask to fill the details of yourself, your age, your gender, and how many hours you sleep. You can definitely change the numbers. Numbers can be easily changed, and after that, here you can see few more things. There are few goals for sleeping, and that once it is done, it will tell you what are the features, what you are getting, all the settings. And I am just skipping this part because I will show you guys in detail that what it is telling, how to start it, and how you get to the watch face and different settings. Now currently going with the watch faces, here are a bunch of watch faces. You can download them from the cloud, but the internet is must, so you have to keep the internet on while downloading this. And there are few watch faces which are pre-installed in the watch also, which you can change on later. So I will show you that also. It will take few minutes to download the watch face. Here I am showing you right now. It is stuck in the 99%. It will take some time, then it will get installed in the watch. It is a little bit lengthier process what it used to be in other watches, what I have seen. Here you can see it will get installed the watch face, and once it is done, here you can see the watch face is now available on my watch also. So this is a very easy process. If you want, you can create also your customized watch face. You can make that using your pictures from the gallery. Now coming to the summary, first you will get the challenge. In that also there is guide, wellness, and in the bottom you are getting distance, steps count, calories, sleep, heart rate, and the heart rate will be for 24 hours. Now in the shop you can get different straps, the other product of the Noise, each and everything are available, so you can definitely change the straps if you like. I will show you how to change the straps for the same. If we talk about the activity, there is a start session, there is the activity mode. The activity mode includes there's 14 sports mode, which includes indoor walking, indoor running, indoor cycling, outdoor walking, outdoor running, outdoor cycling. there's yoga, hiking, workout, and there's elliptical, rower, cricket, pool swimming, open water swimming. So here you can see all the modes, different modes. You can pause the video and check those also. If we talk about the device, it will be coming in 6 colors. We got is the jet black color, the other are rose pink, jet blue, smoke green, rose red, and smoke grey. So these are the colors. The price is also shown. It is coming for 4,499, available on Flipkart and also on the official website. Now few more features what are added in the device is the weather forecast, call rejection. You can't pick a call or talk with this, but there is a call rejection. You can disconnect the call. There is a find my phone. You can find your phone where it is lying. Hand wash reminder, sedentary reminder means if you are sitting for a longer time for a period, it will remind you. Calendar reminder, remote music control, this I will show you. Sleep monitor will show you reminder. There's alarm, timer, stopwatch, wake gesture, and there is a vibration alert. There is do not disturb mode and screen brightness. Coming to the watch faces, definitely you can customize, but the preloaded watch faces are cloud based, which actually means that it took a little long time than I expected to install that. So definitely that is a little bit nah here. But this watch is definitely going to compete with the Redmi Watch. It has too many features. If we talk about the few more here, I am showing you in detail: distance, steps, calories, steps, sleep hour, what you have slept, your heart rate also monitor. This is a complete shop. Here you will get the noise product. It includes the TWS, the music audio products, and also the fitness bands. Here you can see the start session. I have already told you and discussed you the what are the modes you are getting, and these will track, and you can also see there is little bit animation. For that I'm trying to get a little bit focus so that you guys can have a look properly. It has too many modes, and mostly there are outdoor and indoor modes. It will track your movements and you can check them out also. If we go to the watch face, I have already told you about the watch face. Now coming to last settings, you can definitely check the updates here. If there is a firmware upgrade, you can see there is no update currently right now for the firmware. It has the music control. If you want a do not disturb mode, you can switch that on. If you want to connect with Google Fit, you can also do that. Find my phone access you can give from here. Wrist sense, drinking water reminder. Also you can see hand wash, how many minutes you want to do that, at how much interval you need to get a reminder for hand wash. It can be done very easily from here. So this is about the hand wash reminder, and you can update that also specifically however you want. You can see the alarms here. You can also see the sports recognition, running or walking, whatever you are doing, it will recognize automatically. You can also see the walk reminder. Lastly, there is the sports mode, which I have already told you. You can cross them and take them out from the list, it will not show. So these are the settings what we are getting. And lastly, there you can also sign out from the device. You can also reset the product, which is very easy, and there are some how-to videos, their official YouTube channel, where you can check it out. There is also contact support. This will be directing to the customer service for noise products. And if you see the version, it is telling that it is in the latest version. So this is, I have tried and connected this time with the Android smartphone. Last time few of you guys asked me to connect with Android and show that how the connection works. If we slide from left to right, here you can see there is a music control. If you slide from the top, it will show you the notifications. If you slide from the bottom, here you can see the battery percentage, sleep mode. There is also wrist movement on or not, find the phone, you can do that. Brightness can be changed from here, and from the side you can see the steps count, the kilometer you have covered, and the calorie burned. Here we are seeing there are few modes. I will talk each and everything here, starting with the goals, how many walking steps you want to go. There is the activities, the indoor activity, the outdoor activity, the sports. Now this is the BPM, it will measure your heart rate, so it has got the heart rate sensor. There is also measuring of the stress level, which can be checked here. It will take some time, less than a minute or something like that, and you can see it will measure the stress and let you know that it is under control or it is beyond your control. So definitely you can go and check with the doctor. Definitely these numbers are not any doctor suggest. So if you see something wrong, you will definitely go and consult a doctor. Don't try to get the treatment by yourself, or don't try to become a doctor. Here you can see the stress level is normal. Now the next is the blood sugar. It will tell you the SpO2, and I will show you the SpO2 rating for this same. This is currently one of the hot thing what each and every smartwatch is giving, and here you can see it is 97%, so it is quite okay. Now we are getting a breath. Here you can have a normal breath of 1 minute. You can increase the timing for that, and you can breathe in and out. There is a sleep timer record. There is a weather. It will connect and tell you the weather. Currently it is not connecting. And there is also music player where you can increase the audio, decrease the audio. There is a timer, there is alarm, and there is also stopwatch. There is also records, and this is a find my phone. Lastly, there is setting which wrist awake, so if you move the wrist it will awake. There is do not disturb. There is also watch faces which definitely you can change. A few watch faces, these are not all the watch faces which you have downloaded. So again, going to the settings here, coming back to the settings, there is a brightness. You can change the brightness level. You can control the brightness also, so that it goes off in 8 second, 5 second, however time you want. So you can change that too. And lastly, there is also automatic brightness on or off, power off, restart, reset the device. And if you want to know about your device, it is also given there. The screen size is 1.5-inch true view display, what Noise is calling. If we talk about the sensor, it comes with the heart rate sensor, accelerometer sensor, SpO2 sensor. So these sensors what are coming. The battery life is typical users, it will go around 10 days. Standby it goes around 30 days. The battery is 210 mAh, and here you can see this is how you can take out the straps and you can change it. Straps are available on the Go Noise website. You can check them out. It weighs around 35 grams and the price is 4,499. So it is around 4,500 bucks, which is 500 bucks extra than Redmi Watch. But definitely this is a true competitor of Redmi Watch. So I will definitely recommend to check this out, and it is also available all the time. Not like it will go flash sale like Redmi Watch. So this is all about the Go Noise ColorFit Pro 3. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.